So this is very hard to do because my husband is sitting right there and it makes me very nervous. But he has homework to do and he likes to sit at the bar to do his homework. I am going to make us Kung Poa chicken for dinner. It's keto friendly. I like to lay out the ingredients first and then measure it out and then cut everything up. And then it just makes everything go quicker. So let's get started.
Stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. And all this time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that he would take me away. I'll stay for a while and I'll be here when you're back again. And all this time I was right where I stand. Thought I'd had to search for the love that was right here, my best friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that he would take me away. To you now, I'm sleeping. No rhyme or reason to that. If this is what love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you last
So this dish is really one of my husband's and my favorite dishes to make. It's one of the few that I make that I think actually tastes better than he won't be interactive with me, but he keeps distracting me and staring. What do you? So when the meat gets about 90% done, you want to add the vegetables. And I add the garlic when I add the vegetables.
I've stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. If this is what love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you last night. If this is what love is, then it's worth the wait.
Alright, well that's gonna wrap up this video. Sorry that you're now so close to my face. I'm like holding you in my hand. The food was delicious. We ate it all, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it if you decide to cook it. If you'd like to follow along, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding the little bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.